Hello everyone, so this is medial surface of cerebrum structure, this C-shaped structure. This is corpus callosum. So this is the corpus callosum, anterior part of corpus callosum. This is rostrum, then this bend like structure, this is genu, this is body of corpus callosum, and this is splenium. And this curtain like structure, this is septum pellucidum. So below the septum pellucidum, you can see here, this is lateral ventricle. So my brush is in lateral ventricle. Then this is foramen of Monro. Lateral ventricle communicate with the third ventricle. This is third ventricle through the foramen of Monro. This is hypothalamic sulcus, that is running from foramen of Monro to the Cerebral Aqueduct. This is Cerebral Aqueduct. This is third ventricle. Third ventricle communicate with the fourth ventricle through Cerebral Aqueduct. This is interthalamic connexus. Then more anteriorly, this is optic chiasma. Then this is infundibulum pineal gland, you can see here. This is tegmentum of midbrain. Then you can see this structure, this is pons and this is medulla. So this is brainstem, medulla, pons and midbrain. This cavity between the brainstem and cerebellum, this is fourth ventricle. In the cerebellum, there is a leaf-like appearance. This is arbor vitae appearance. Arbor vitae appearance. So, choroid plexus, that is responsible for formation of CSF, cerebrospinal fluid. So, large amount of fluid is formed within the lateral ventricle. So, this is lateral ventricle. So, septum pellucidum. This is septum pellucidum. Below this is lateral ventricle. So in the medial surface of the cerebrum, this is corpus callosum. This is the rostrum part of the corpus callosum. This is genu. This is trunk or body. This is splenium. Posterior part is splenium. This curtain-like structure which is coming from corpus callosum, this is septum pellucidum. So below the septum pellucidum, we have a cavity that is responsible for formation of CSF. This cavity is lateral ventricle. This is optic chiasma. Then here we have pituitary gland, infundibulum. This is mammillary body. This is tegmentum of midbrain. Then pons, medulla. So between the brainstem and cerebellum, this is cerebellum, fourth ventricle. So lateral ventricle communicate with the third ventricle through foramen of Monro. Third ventricle communicate with the fourth ventricle through cerebral aqueduct. This is cerebral aqueduct. This is thalamus. This is hypothalamus. This is hypothalamic sulcus, that is extending from foramen of Monro to the cerebral aqueduct. This sulcus is hypothalamic sulcus. Callosal sulcus. Then this is cingulate sulcus, Cingulate Gyrus. Leaf-like appearance, this is arbor vitae appearance, tree of life, part of cerebellum, arbor vitae appearance. This is superior medullary velum. This structure is superior medullary velum.